Hello students, today let us study chapter 2 Tools in Visual Basic. In the last chapter we studied what is a Visual Basic. A Visual Basic is a high level event driven programming language developed from the earlier DOS version called Basic. So now let us see why Visual Basic is easier and what are their tools. It is very important to know why you are using Visual Basic than other programming languages. Visual Basic is quite easier than other programming languages such as C++, C Sharp, Java, etc. This is because Visual Basic enables us to work in graphical user interface where we can drag and drop controls to create the application. This is very important students because it enables us to work in GUI where we can drag and drop controls to create application. These controls are displayed in the toolbox in VBA IDE. Let us take a look at the controls available in the toolbox in VBA. VBA toolbox controls. So in this you can see this is the toolbox in the VBA IDE. It has many objects. This arrow mark is to select objects. This letters is the text box. This one is to list box. This is option button. The dot. This is frame. See, you can see this is frame. This is tab strip, scroll bar, image, label, combo box, checkbox, toggle button, command button, multi-page, spin button, ref edit. So these are the tools available in the toolbox of the VBA IDE. Let us see what are the functions of these objects are. Select object, that is this arrow mark. It is used to select and move the objects on the VBA form. So you need to move some object in your VBA form. You have drawn or you have written any text. You need to move that to one more location. So this select object you need to drag, that is on clicking on the left button of the mouse and drag, select it and move the object. Next, label. It is used to display text and numeric data in a form. So this label, that is a capital A, this is used to display texts and numbers in a form. Text box. It is the standard control for accepting input from the user as well as to display the output. This text box, that is AB, it is used for accepting input from the user. It will accept input from the user as well as it will display the output. Next, combo box. This is combo box. Combo box is used to display a drop down list and to select the items from the list. So while filling any online application, you would have seen a drop down, that is to your class, you'll have a drop down. When you click on that, you'll have an arrow mark with a rectangle box at the corner and small triangle. When you click on that, you will have a drop down list, class 1, class 2, class 3, like that. You need to select any one. So it will automatically, when you select that, it will automatically fill the rectangle box saying class 9. So that is the drop down. But the combo box is used to display the drop down list. Next, list box. It is used to display a list of items and to select the items from the list. For example, a menu, you will have a menu. When you go to an hotel, you will have an items, dishes. So you need to select from those lists. So that is the list box. Next, checkbox. It is used to choose one or more options displayed in the form. So this is same as the drop down. You will have a list with a checkbox like this. You will have a checkbox. Where is it? Here, like this. You will have a checkbox. You need to click on that, so it will be tick mark. You can, in the combo box or the list box, you can select only one item at a time for once, but in checkbox you can select more than one. That is for for example, you need to select channels for your package, for your set of box package. That time you can select Kannada channels, Telugu, Tamil. So you can select more than one language in that. So that is checkbox. Next, option button. It is used to choose only one option from the available options. So this option button, from this, when you click on that, it will like have a circle within a dot. So in this button also we can select only one item at a time. Next, toggle button. It shows the selection state of a control. If the user selects the toggle button, the current setting is true. If the user does not select the toggle button, the setting is false. The default property of toggle button is the value property. The default event of the toggle button is the click event. So this toggle button, it shows the selection state of, if you have selected, then the current setting is true. It shows it as current setting is true. If you have not selected, then it shows the setting is as false. The default property is the value property and the default event is click event. Very important, students, toggle button. Next, frame. It is used to functionally divide the form by logically grouping the controls placed in the form. We can group similar controls such as checkbox or option button choices. So this frame is used to divide or group the controls, like we studied list box, combo box and all. So we can combine those boxes, check boxes and button. We can combine both and we can make it as a frame. Next, command button. It is one of the most important controls in VB toolbox and is used to execute commands in the program. So this is the most important control in VB toolbox. It is used to execute the commands in the programs which you have written. The program which you have written, it is used to execute or run the program. Tab strip. It is used to display multiple pages as tabs in the same window in a VB form. This tab strip, it it displays multiple pages as tabs. Like in one window only you can have so many, you all the pages which you have created, all the forms will be shown in a single page as multiple pages. It will display multiple pages as a tab. Next, multi-page. It is used to present multiple screens of related information as a single set. So you will have a related data in one form and one more and another form. So the multiple screens will be merged into a single set. Scroll bar. It is used to add a scroll bar to the VB form, to your form which you have created. To move the forms up and down, this you can add through scroll bar. Spin button. It is used to increment and decrement numerical values and also to update the value of the other controls in the form. So this button is used to increment or decrement the values. Image. It is used to add a picture in the VB form. Ref edit. It is used to select a range in Excel and to use the properties to control the selected cells. So this ref edit, it is used to select the range of the cells in the Excel. That is like it must be having only maximum from 10 to 20. Minimum it should, the rows should be lie between 10 to 20. So to mention the range we use this ref edit. Thank you.